Hello students, I welcome you all to my lecture series on hospitality marketing management. Buying behavior of any consumer is $1 million question for any marketer. It is very difficult to understand or predict each one's buying behavior because each consumer is different in their own nature, need, requirement, and preference. Today, in this presentation, we are going to look at several aspects which influences Indian consumer today and why and how the Indian consumer behaves the way they do in this world today. India's dramatic pace of urbanization is influencing lifestyle patterns and buying behavior of the consumer. There are several factors which influences the buying behavior of the consumer in Indian market. We are going to look at them in detail. Some of the trends which have been noticed about today's Indian customers have been discussed in the presentation and upcoming slides. Indian consumer or customer is well informed, well traveled, well aware, probably better than a marketer, and hence he cannot be taken for granted, and is so very difficult to get persuaded by the aggressive marketing efforts done by any marketer until and unless he believes in the product or he is convinced with the campaign. Today's Indian consumer is exposed to aggressive marketing strategies by marketer all around. Every minute we come across an advertisement which is featured either on AV media, your television or radio, or through print media, while traveling, on hoarding or on transit media on the vehicles. We are exposed to different product and their advertisement, and with this kind of high exposure, the need can be triggered in consumers' mind about buying or at least thinking of buying a product. Today is the word of digitalization. With this, we mean that we are all getting techno savvy. Our gadgets are in our hand and the information is on our fingertips. Right from housewife to a business professional, we all use technology. And through this digitalization and use of technology, we are well aware and well informed about various products available in the market. We surf for the information on net, on our mobiles, or on any other television or any other gadgets. And hence, through this digitalization, probably the consumer market has become small or well connected, and at this time the marketer has to take due advantage of it. There are a lot of changes which are happening in our external environment around us on which probably we have no control, but it does influence the buying behavior of a consumer. The political, technological or cultural environment, or social environment for that matter, influences buying decision to a great extent. The political decisions based on either a tax rebate, a subsidy which is given, the legal aspects or availability of the product, or giving permission to launch a new product, the technological advances and the new technology which has been introduced triggers a need to use it, to acquire it and at least try it once, and that encourages people to buy the product. The social and cultural changes happening around us in our society also is responsible for the changing buying behavior of Indian consumer today. About this we'll be discussing in the upcoming slides. When you talk about Indian consumer, especially the young generation, for them the new national anthem, I should say, or the new anthem of such consumers is "I need it now." What do we mean by this? we have seen that people are impatient, especially the young generation. They are impatient and they want things to be done right away. They have no patience, no time, no energy, and no thought process to wait. And hence, when they need it now, whether the product is reachable or not, they make it reachable. Whether they can afford it or not, they make it affordable. And that's why probably the financial institutions and banks are supporting the loan facility so that you can avail the product now and pay later. Same is applicable even in tourism sector. When we talk about tourism, you can book the destination or travel for which you can either pay in installments or you can pay later, and that has become so convenient for people to buy the product and use the product now. So that's why we say I need it now has become the new anthem of consumers. Today's consumer is impulsive, at the same time novelty seeking. When we visit any mall or a hypermarket or a superstore, we have a list or agenda to buy a product, but many a times we go ahead and buy products which we do not need, and that is an impulsive decision, and that happens due to the kind of attractive packaging offered on the packages on the product, or the way it is presented, or the offers which are implied on these products. So we take impulsive decision and end up buying products which may not need, thanks to heavy promotion and marketing done by our aggressive marketing people. Today's consumer is novelty seeking. We get bored of using same thing again and again, and hence we require something new, something novel. And the moment any new feature or any new concept is added to the product, it makes it more sellable to the consumer. Just changing the shape, changing the package, changing the color, adding new feature are such trends which attract people in today's competitive world. And probably with this novelty seeking behavior, consumer gets attracted to something new which is added to the already existing product. Today's generation also is, especially Indian generation, is become brand savvy. They look for brand. They do not want to settle down or compromise on this. They do not want to settle down at any other local brand, because there is a status which is associated with it. There is a quality which is associated with. Brands are tried and tested, and of course thanks to the heavy marketing done by the marketers for such brands. Wearing a Gucci or Louis Vuitton is something which everyone looks forward to nowadays in young generation amongst ladies. Similarly, Levi and such jeans and showing the tag has become the trend. So brand is very, very popular, unlike the previous generation who would settle down for local products also. Today's woman is empowered. She is the one who is powerful, not only in case of taking decision, she is the one who is a key player in making decision about buying a product in the family also. Today's woman is independent. Today's woman is more empowered, and with this she can take right decisions about the family as far as purchasings are concerned, as far as buyings are concerned. And one more trend which has been seen in women today is going for branded products, as I had discussed earlier. India is full of festivals and full of celebration. Each occasion, each festival is celebrated with the same zeal and enthusiasm. May it be Diwali, may it be Dashera, may it be Onam, may it be Ganpati or Durga Puja, and may it be a wedding. Wedding has a special place in everyone's life, and it's an important slice of life for everyone. People save money to celebrate for wedding. The outfits they wear, the costumes they wear, the way everything is, the ambience is created and decoration is created. Everyone wants to have that high life experience during their wedding, and they spend lavishly during this. Now, when we talk about occasions, in today's circumstances in Indian market, Diwali, Dussehra, Holi are reasons to celebrate, but marketers have allowed other occasions to be converted as celebration time. May it be Mother's Day, may it be Father's Day, or may it be Friendship Day. Every day is an occasion to celebrate, and that triggers the need to buy gifts or to buy something. And of course, the availability of product is there for that, and it's a boon for the marketer. So, creating an occasion, celebrating it, and converting that into an event has been a rising trend in Indian consumer market. We have seen during weekends many of us, especially corporate people, like to visit malls, supermalls, or hypermarkets or similar places to buy grocery or to buy things for their household use. Earlier, the same used to be purchased from a grocery stores nearby, but going to supermarkets and hyperstores have become a trend during weekend. It's an outing at the same time and shopping experience for everyone. Supermarket buying is also convenient for everyone since they can have a huge display of different products, and hence selection becomes easy for any consumer. At the same time, they come across the variety available for any product which they want to buy, until and unless they are very brand loyal. Supermarkets provide hygienic, clean, and very attractive ambience, and that's also one of the reasons why people like to buy things well packed, well presented, and hygienic from the superstores rather than going to a local grocer for buying the same product. We have seen a changing lifestyle, at the same time family size. Earlier, we used to have joint families, and most of the expenses would happen for the household use. With nuclear families and smaller size, people have started spending more on luxury. A study indicates that rich people spend 80% of their income on luxury and 20% on food, whereas lower income group or economy class consumer spends 80% of their income on food and basic utilities, whereas 20% can be spent on not so necessary item. I would not like to call it as luxury item. So nuclear families and lifestyle has resulted in change in buying needs of Indian consumer. Life is not easy for everyone. We all are working to earn and to improve our lifestyle. But due to this hectic life at the workplace and no time for home, this has given rise to high demand for ready to eat food instead of traditional cooking, because whatever time left out of the busy routine and schedule, people like to spend that time on themselves, or rather with the family, rather than spending on cooking, and hence this has given rise to ready to eat food to a great extent. It is affordable and also available for everyone. So changing work culture is the result of that. We get very influenced and attracted to global brands. Using Maybelline, L'Oreal in cosmetics is in thing now as compared to local products. And not only in cosmetics, but we call it as Subway, KFC, or eating joints, Burger Kings. Everyone is making a huge place in Indian market. Or in FMCG sector, thanks to the influence of Western culture on us as Indians. We get influence from what people outside India eat, use, and we like to use the same. And this has given rise to a lot of brands, as I had said earlier, to enter in Indian consumer market and are doing pretty well. To a great extent, celebrities are also responsible for the changing lifestyle or need of Indian consumer. We get influenced by celebrities who we consider as our idol, and hence whatever they endorse, we like to use them and we trust and believe them. So the endorsement done by celebrities to promote the product also has a high impact on consumers today in Indian market, and we like to go for and follow them and go for the products which are used by such celebrities whom we follow. One segment of Indian consumer may be attracted to only foreign brands and eating out in Subways and Pizza Hut, but there is one segment who is very concerned with their health and prefer a health conscious product. Therefore, a new market has emerged in India about health conscious products in FMCG sector, and this is gaining popularity over eating junk food. So this is a recent change in the consumer behavior which has been witnessed in Indian market. So you get, earlier Maggi used to be of maida or all-purpose flour. Now you get atta Maggi also as a substitute. The entire presentation is based on some facts and figures which have been taken from various references. For my presentation, I have used India Today magazine, 10 Trends That Alter Consumer Behavior in India. It's an article by Nimisha Jain, Kanika Sanghi and Ankur Jain, and a research paper on study on consumer behavior, changing consumer behavior of Indian customers by Subrata D. These are the references which have been used by me, and I am very, very thankful and grateful to such references. So I thank everyone for attending and patiently listening to this presentation. I hope you have enjoyed the presentation. So stay tuned for my upcoming presentations on marketing as well as accommodation management. Don't forget to solve the quiz given in the description box in the YouTube channel, and also please subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, have a very nice day. Thank you so much.